Hello fellow crafters, I'm back today with another little craft that I have been wanting to make for the house. It's spring, summer kind of related, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you know what I'm doing. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like these videos. Ring the bell if you want to continue seeing the notices when I upload, which should be Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Not a specific time, but those days. Comment down below anything you liked, anything you would like to see, and don't forget to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Today I'm going to go ahead and be working on this rug that I have been seeing around, and it's a, see if you guys can guess, but it is going to be the lemon wedge rug or little mat for the kitchen, and I am choosing to use the gray instead of the darkish gray. The light gray is better, and to make it anti-slip, so it does not slip since it is going inside the kitchen, and I'm hoping this will stand up to the water. So what I can do and what you can do to make this anti-slip is go ahead and run some hot glue bead rows on the back side of your mat, and that way when you put it on the floor it's not going to slip away. Now I have started already. What I did to make this lemon wedge is I took my rope and I put it exactly where I wanted it, and I just ran it around the mat. And what I'm going to go ahead and do, so I don't have all these little jagged edges, I'm going to go ahead and fold it exactly in half. So this side, and go ahead and cut down here. I saw was they started with yellow, but I'm going to start with white, and let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so that was a fail. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it with white and see how that comes out. Alright guys, and I'm back. After a few hours of waiting for this to dry, it is now dry. I finished painting it. I ended up going with some spray paint. I used this one here and got all that dried, and then I went in to make these little thingamajiggers. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and trace it with black, and let me see, half the circle that we want here for the little rind part is going to be up here. I'm going to go very lightly. Here's my middle. Yeah, very lightly, just barely enough to see it. There we go. You can barely see it. Okay, and the same thing with these. I'm going to go ahead and start here. Give myself a little bit of space here. And just trace around there. I am back. I got my paint. We're taking off the little thingamajigger here. Put that somewhere. And I'm really hoping this is going to be a nice coverage. And I'm going to see if I can do this. Okay guys, we're coming towards the end of this project. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to touch up on the yellow marks that I made a mistake on. Let it dry. Once it is dry, what I'm thinking of doing is on the back, put that bead of hot glue across a big old line so it's not moving. I'm thinking of putting this in the kitchen. Right under the sink, because again, my thought process is lemons and bees. Well, something else besides the black and white gigum that I wanted to go ahead and implement into the dining room, and little sparks here and there in the kitchen, not too much. But kitchen is the only place where I have a sink other than the bathrooms. So now, I know I want it very white, but in reality, lemons are not that white. I'm just trying to make a nice medium between that and this. This is a close-up of the paint that I'm using from the Dollar Tree. It is Rich Art, and it is in the color white. The other one fell, but it is the same brand and the color white, just in case you guys are wondering. Dollar Tree. And that is the finished product completely. I went back and I kind of cleared it up a little, and now I'm going to go ahead and just take a picture so I can have it for reference. Guys, I hope you like this project. I hope you guys are enjoying projects that are being brought to you guys from me. Do comment down below if you guys like this. Thumbs it up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell so you'll get notified every time I get a new video. Now remember, it is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Not a set time of when, but you'll see something crafty on those. And if you guys would like to see anything else, go ahead and comment. Thank you guys all for staying with me until this point. Till next time, bye for now.